Let's talk about how to set up a journey to welcome new subscribers. Start by clicking Marketing in the left navigation bar, then go to Journeys. Before we begin, ensure you have these set up: a created contact list, an installed messaging platform, and pre-created content for your messages. To build a journey, start by clicking the Create button in the top right corner. This takes you to the Journey Gallery, where you can access a series of journey templates from Abandoned Cart Recovery to Welcome Series. For the purpose of this video, we'll create a journey from scratch. Click the Create from Scratch button at the top right-hand side of your screen. The first thing you'll need to do is name your journey, for example, Welcome New Subscribers. You have the option to select one or more relevant tags. For this example, we'll select Welcome, as we are welcoming new subscribers. Next, you'll need to set up your trigger. You'll see several options here. As we're welcoming newly opted-in customers, we're selecting Added to List. Choose from the drop-down menu your trigger event, Contact Added to List, and choose your subscriber list. Click Save to continue. Now, drag and drop a step to send your first message. Configure this by selecting your messaging channel and choosing your pre-created content. You'll be taken to your message library where you can select the relevant message. In this case, we want to confirm the subscriber's opt-in and offer them a 10% discount. Finally, take a quick preview, then click Save when everything looks right. Add a wait period by dragging the wait step. Here you can edit how long your contact waits before receiving the next communication. You can also select Wait until a specific time in the recipient's time zone by turning on the option here. Click Save when you're happy with your changes. Add another message by dragging the Send a Message step into your journey. Here you can follow the same steps as before, select your messaging channel, and then select the pre-saved message template. In this example, we want to send a reminder for the customer to use their discount code, letting them know they have a few days left before it expires, along with a link of some of our products. Click Save to continue. Then we will add another wait period following the same step as before. To keep things consistent, we will wait 3 days and wait until 12 p.m. in the customer's time zone before sending. Click Save to continue. Finally, drag your final message step. Configure the channel and select the message template you wish to send. In this example, we will notify the customer they have 4 days left to use their personalized discount and an additional benefit of free shipping on all purchases. Then click Save when we're happy with our changes. We'll drag the End Journey step here to complete our journey. You can add an end journey message like Success before clicking Save. Your Welcome series is now ready. Click Publish in the top right corner, add a version name to keep track of any future changes, and a description for your journey. Then click Save, and your journey will be live. And that's it.